Now this gets into the fun stuff, the virtual companions. So like I was saying earlier, there's a ton of information out there already. Think about all the user manuals that we have, all the training that's available. All of that is already connected to the 3D Experience platform. In the 3D Experience platform, we have this thing called swim communities. Anybody using the old SOLIDWORKS forums that are now in the communities? SOLIDWORKS forums? Really? There's so much great information in there. It's actually a separate tab in your SOLIDWORKS panel on the right there, the task pane. That's a great place to find information, ask questions. Those are now 3D swim communities, since we moved them from the old location. And then in your tenants, when you have a community and start creating posts, questions, polls, wiki notes, and so on, that is your data that would also be visible to our virtual companions. So with all that great information, we need some way to communicate, some way to gain access and get that information quickly and effectively. And for that, we started with Aura. Okay? So let's take a look at Aura. It could be a simple matter of retrieving information. So for example, here I am in my SOLIDWORKS, the right-hand panel there, you can see I've got my data, not a data. But now I go up into one of my communities, and you can see there's a community, bunch of posts, could be anything. It could be an attached PDF. This is actually showing a design spec in a post. So that's probably a very long, lengthy post. But one of the things you might want to have Aura do is just summarize things. You just need the Cole's Notes version of this because I want to use it in a report. I need to email to somebody, potentially. So do that. Just ask for a summarized version. You have the little copy button at the bottom, and then put it into wherever you need. I think more beneficial for the engineers out here, though, is this. Start up a conversation with Aura and say, hey, Aura, what's the bore specifications and the operating temperatures of our current project I'm working on? And Aura comes back and it gives you exactly that information. That was buried in that 100-page spec, but I didn't have to go and find the post. I didn't go and have to stream through that data to find that information. That's right. So it was in that community that was on. So that's the your company community, and you can have many communities, right? You can have project specific, department specific. You can have personal community. You can have company wide communities. So that one you're seeing. Oh, it's the one on the previous slide. That panel on the right was just a personal community of mine where I had a post or a PDF uploaded.